And finally got another HD acrylic collection, and it's the Winter Blues one. Now these, each of the collection fastenings, I put them all together and they're all as a chain of collections of colours. So let's have a look at these, and then I can put these ones on my shelf. So we have Starlight, they will be all sealed, just to show you. But again, I'll do swatches of these as well, so you can get to see how beautiful these colours are. Frosted Ice. Oh, that's lovely. Multi. Such fine glitter running through it, almost holographic. Then we have Crushed Ice. Again, beautiful. I don't know if you can see. Then we have Twilight. It's almost like a good metal shade. Could be wrong. Then a beautiful Igloo. That's lovely. Blue is that? Blue. Sort of I'll have to double check that one, but it's got a nice shade. And then Frozen Lake. Again, Hazel powder range for the acrylic system is brilliant to work with. So easy to apply. And you can do some amazing 3D artwork with it as well. But I've got lots of different swatches to show you, because there is some other collections that I've yet to reveal. So hopefully I'll do a collection from both the hybrid and the pure range. Then I'll do the acrylic ones and also the easy gel tips, so you can see what they actually look like once they're applied and how to do them. Catch you later. Bye.